Will There Be Condominiums in Data Space is an article written by Viola in 1995. It mainly discusses how people use different methods to record things at different times. Art is also a means of recording, which the developments of technology. The recording means of art have changed from original artworks to today's film and television. The change expanded the storage space. At the same time, the author's invention storage of future computers. People can read the storage in three-dimensional way. This article is very important to the study of new media since the article was written in 1995. It's a period of rapid development of the Internet and new media. On October 21, 1995, the Federal Networking Council unanimously passed a resolution defining the term Internet. In the same year, specifications for the production of DVDs are finalized. During this period, more and more new media have entered people's daily life. Bill's article is not only a summary of how it was stored in the past, but also predicts the future development of storage methods.
In Viola's essay, the author is essentially examining the potential relationship between residential condominiums and the concept of data space in modern technological applications, while comparing the structural similarities with human memories. As well, Viola has illustrated three examples to describe patterns of information that will make sense, including branching, where the individual interprets information through a solely linear approach, and the matrix structure, where a viewer can enter an information cycle at any stage, anytime. Lastly, a schizo model, which the significant information can be quite ambitious and challenging to absorb. Furthermore, Vela uses his analogy of condominiums to inspire readers that our memory and logic are interconnected, meaning the sets of logic we use to interpret information are stimulative to our memory, where our memory also decides our logical sense to decompose information, proposing the question of are we going to divide up the data space like a condominium, or are we going to navigate around this data space as a whole for us to evaluate?
Viola proposed the concept that both the whole and parts are essential to structures. Three pattern structures of information are still applicable nowadays. We should be familiar with branch structure because we learned in ESS 1720 and 2030 that Java is branch structure based. By importing an archive file into a programming software, you will have classes under a package and methods within the classes. Matrix is popular when you play with 3D-related assignments. Either in Max or Maya 3D modeling, there is no upper-level limitation that you can enter any point as you want. Schizo structure was not well known when introduced in 1995. However, after 25 years, following a similar idea, P2P networking is now one of the major networking systems in the world. Like Viola's idea, there are no central servers or hosts, while each node or peer are equally privileged. We as digital media students, these three structures are beneficial to our future design and work, to design as a whole and to be precise on the details that contribute to the whole.